Okay, this is a short video that's going to show you how to set up the Canon PowerShot G10 for taking pictures for study 1194. The first thing we want to do is make sure we have the camera set to take photos in the right mode. We want to take a look at these two top wheels. The larger one at the bottom you want to have set on auto on green, and the top one you want to have it set on P. So you just rotate it, auto and P. The power button is right on the top here next to on off. You press that in. It should light up green, hear a little song. Then what we will do is we will press the display button, DISP, and if you push that a couple of times it will cycle through off on the LED screen, on with just a couple of things, and then the third one, which is the one you're really interested in, which might take a different number of button presses for you, it has a P in the corner, a histogram, and a series of icons down the left and a number in the lower right hand corner. So you'll want that. Next we will press the menu button. We will see a screen that looks like this. We will scroll down by pressing the icon that has a little timer on it, right below the Func Set button, and we will move down to where it says Digital Zoom, and then we will make sure that that says off by pushing the flash lightning bolt icon. So there it says off, and once that says off we will continue to scroll down until we get to an area called Record Raw plus a little curve and an L. We'll want that to say on, which it does in this picture, and we can also scroll by using the lightning bolt or the flower icons to make sure it says on. Once those two things have been set, we will press menu again to return to the home screen, and now we will set a couple of the exposure things. We want to set the flash. We do that by pushing the lightning bolt, and we see the menu here, and we will want to be sure, and it only gives you a second, so I'll push that again. We'll want to cycle through to where it says on, like that, and then just wait a couple of seconds, it goes away. We will want to also push the flower icon so that the flower is highlighted and it says macro. So you wait a couple of seconds, and now you can see the flower icon and the lightning bolt icon both appear on the screen. Now we will set a couple of additional exposure parameters by pushing the Func Set button. And the first one we will set is the lighting. Right now this is set to fluorescent. Depending on your lighting conditions and where you're going to be taking the photograph, you might choose tungsten or daylight. But choose the one that's appropriate for your situation. And then we will scroll down using the timer button to the flash settings, and that's a little lightning bolt with a plus minus on the left. At the bottom you'll see a little grade of numbers that centers on 0. We'll want to put the little green box underneath the 1 to start with. And we push Func Set again, and we'll return to the main menu. So now the camera is set up to take the photograph. At this point you'll want to zoom the lens all the way out by pushing this button. It's a little notch here on the top to zoom all the way out. We will then want to show the camera like this, press the top shutter key halfway down, it will beep, and then all the way down, and that takes the photograph. That concludes our instructional video.